you take, I'll be watching you.
Did you see the news? A woman is dead and her husband is missing. Police say they aren't looking for anyone else. You know what that means. He killed her. Did you hear what the neighbours said? He seemed like a nice man, a family man. He let me his lawnmower once. But he killed her. Did you read what they said online? Journalists are calling it a family tragedy. It isn't a tragedy, it's a killing. The MP says there's no need for alarm. It's an isolated incident. No. It's 110 women a year. It's a woman every 3 days.